Governor Beshear used his daily briefing to highlight a growing concern when it comes to coronavirus and children. LEX 18's Dia Davidson joins us. Okay, Dia's not there. I'll take the story then. The governor let people know that there's a 10-year-old Kentucky child that's on a ventilator and is critically ill. Kentucky officials say they're concerned about a troubling new trend when it comes to children and the coronavirus. Doctors across the nation are raising the alarm about the illness they're describing as a pediatric multi-system inflammatory syndrome. It's a toxic shock-like inflammation that affects the skin, eyes, blood vessels, and the heart. Many of the kids affected did not have respiratory symptoms associated with the coronavirus, but all of them tested positive for COVID-19. Dr. Stephen Stack spoke today about the Kentucky child and warned that we need to continue to take steps to protect the most vulnerable among us.
For kids who get this syndrome, it's serious. The young patient that we have in Kentucky is critically ill at this time. And for those who get this, it's serious. And until we learn more about it, until we find treatments that we can use to try to help patients who get infected, and until we find vaccines that can prevent people from getting it, hopefully, the only thing we have is to prevent all of us from getting it, hopefully by staying healthy at home and minimizing how much we spread this. So my heart goes out to the young man and his family so that he can have a full recovery and do well. But for all the rest of you, the healthy at work and healthy at home guidelines we give are still very, very important, and I would ask you please to pay close attention to them and follow them.
Although much about the illness remains unclear, experts believe children may be at greater risk for the syndrome because their immune systems are not fully developed. But there are no clues yet as to why some children get sick and others don't. Many of the children have been healthy, and the syndrome does not appear to run in families.